What's up everyone, Patrick here, and in today's video I'll be doing a quick highlight review video of the features on the Nikon Coolpix B500 digital camera. Now it is a compact digital camera, meaning that the lens is automatically attached to the body and you can't remove it, but this is a great entry-level camera for somebody that's looking to start taking their hobby of photo or video a little more seriously, because this camera packs a punch for its price range. So starting off with the video and the megapixel itself, it's boasting a 16 megapixel sensor and it's able to shoot video at full frame HD at 60 frames per second and has a image size of 16 megs, which is a 4608 by 3456 pixel size for the images. Now this equates to better photos because you've got more detail packed in a smaller area. Of course, this doesn't come close to some of the higher end Coolpix cameras, but this is definitely one of the entry levels for the Nikon Coolpix line. So if you're looking for a great digital camera to get you started and present you with great quality photos and videos at a reasonable price, then definitely check out the Nikon Coolpix B500 digital camera. And of course, I'll include a link down below in the description so you can check it out for yourself and do a little more research if you'd like. And do let me know down in the comments what you thought about this camera. And if you liked the video, please go ahead and give it a like and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell for notifications to check out our other tech videos just like this one. And until next time, thanks for watching.